Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to edit your profile in Perplexity AI. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. For now, I'm simply gonna show you guys how to edit your profile. Right next to your username, you can see a button like this. That is Settings. Click on it right now. Well, this is it guys. This is the settings page. From here, simply scroll down and you will see a tab like this. That is Account. From here, you can change your avatar and your username. Further scrolling down, you can subscribe to Perplexity Pro. You can sign out of your account. You can sign out of all your sessions as well. And guys, that is it. That's how we edit your Perplexity AI profile. It's quite easy. Though you have some few options, you can edit your profile. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.